From highways to the sky, transportation is entering a new era where flying cars are no longer just science fiction. In this video, we explore 20 new flying cars that could completely change the way we travel forever. From compact personal electric VTOLs to advanced air taxis and hybrid road-to-air vehicles, each design is pushing the limits of engineering, speed, and urban mobility. These futuristic machines promise to reduce traffic, cut travel time, and open the door to a whole new world above the cities. Get ready to discover the most exciting flying car innovations shaping the future of transportation. Urban transportation could soon look completely different thanks to futuristic aircraft like the Bellwether Euton. Designed as a next-generation electric flying vehicle, Euton combines vertical takeoff technology with a sleek aerodynamic body that feels straight out of a science fiction film. Unlike traditional helicopters or aircraft, this concept focuses on compact city travel, where traffic congestion and limited road space continue to create major challenges. One of its most impressive features is the hidden propulsion system, giving the aircraft a cleaner and more advanced appearance, while also aiming to improve safety and efficiency. Bellwether has already developed multiple prototypes and continues testing the technology to gather important flight data for future development. As electric air mobility rapidly evolves around the world, projects like Euton demonstrate how personal aerial transportation may eventually become part of everyday urban life, transforming the way people move through crowded cities. Flying cars are no longer just futuristic ideas, and the GOVY AirCab is proving how close urban air travel is becoming to reality. Developed as a compact electric air taxi, this advanced electric VTOL aircraft is designed to transport passengers quickly above crowded city streets while reducing travel time dramatically. The two-seat vehicle features a lightweight carbon fiber body, intelligent flight systems, and autonomous technology created to make aerial transportation safer and more efficient. Unlike many experimental concepts, the AirCab is already moving toward real-world commercialization, with production facilities and certification programs underway. It can reach speeds of around 120 km per hour and recharge rapidly using high-density battery technology. Inside, passengers are welcomed by a modern digital cabin focused on comfort and connectivity. As companies continue investing in electric air mobility, the GOVY AirCab highlights how flying taxis could soon become part of everyday transportation in major cities worldwide. The future of transportation is rapidly taking shape, and the Xpeng X2 is one of the most impressive flying vehicles leading that transformation. Developed by Xpeng X2, this fully electric VTOL aircraft is designed to carry passengers above crowded streets using autonomous flight technology and vertical takeoff capability. Unlike traditional helicopters, the X2 uses 8 independent propellers powered by electric motors, creating a quieter and more efficient flying experience. Its lightweight carbon fiber structure improves performance while maintaining durability for urban operations. The aircraft can fly at speeds of around 130 km per hour and stay airborne for approximately 35 minutes on a single charge. Safety remains a major priority, with advanced systems including obstacle detection, redundant propulsion, emergency parachutes, and intelligent route planning. After multiple successful demonstration flights worldwide, the Xpeng X2 continues proving that practical personal air mobility is becoming far closer to reality than many people expected. Electric aviation is evolving rapidly, and the VoloXPro is designed to bring personal flight closer to everyday reality. Developed by German company VoloXPro, this futuristic multicopter focuses on practical applications rather than just futuristic concepts. The aircraft features a two-seat layout and an advanced system of 18 electric rotors that provide stable vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Built for pilot training, sightseeing, recreational flying, and future urban transportation, the VoloXPro combines modern aviation technology with a simplified flying experience. One of its most important innovations is the fly-by-wire control system, which helps reduce pilot workload and makes operation easier and more intuitive. The fully electric propulsion system also delivers low noise and emission-free performance, making it ideal for urban environments. With planned certification and commercial introduction expected in the coming years, the VoloXPro highlights how electric multicopters could soon become part of normal transportation and recreational aviation worldwide. The future of urban transportation is taking flight with the SkyDrive SD-05, one of Japan's most advanced electric flying vehicle projects. Developed by SkyDrive Inc., this compact electric VTOL aircraft is designed to provide fast and efficient travel above crowded city streets. Unlike traditional helicopters, the SD-05 uses a multi-copter system powered by 12 electric motors and 12 rotors, allowing stable vertical takeoff and landing in limited spaces. Built with lightweight carbon fiber materials, the aircraft combines efficiency with modern safety-focused engineering. The cabin is designed for one pilot and up to 2 passengers, while large panoramic windows create a futuristic flying experience. Advanced computer-assisted controls help simplify operation and improve stability during flight. Rather than focusing on long-distance travel, SkyDrive aims to use the SD-05 for practical urban air taxi services connecting airports, business districts, and tourist destinations as electric air mobility continues rapidly evolving worldwide. The idea of calling a pilotless air taxi is no longer science fiction, and the EHang EH216 S is proving just how close that future really is. Developed by Chinese company EHang, this fully autonomous electric aircraft is designed to carry 2 passengers through urban environments without requiring a pilot on board. Instead of traditional aviation controls, the aircraft relies on advanced autonomous systems, intelligent navigation, and pre-programmed flight paths. The EH216 S uses 16 electric motors and 16 propellers arranged across multiple arms to provide stable vertical takeoff and landing, while also improving safety through redundant systems. Electric propulsion allows quieter operation and reduced emissions compared to conventional helicopters. What makes the aircraft especially important is its regulatory progress, becoming the world's first pilotless passenger VTOL to receive official type certification in China. As urban air mobility rapidly develops, the EH216 S is helping redefine the future of transportation worldwide. Personal flying vehicles are rapidly moving closer to reality, and the Doroni H1-X Gen 2 is designed specifically for people who want to own and operate their own aircraft. Developed by Florida-based Doroni Aerospace, this futuristic electric eVTOL combines vertical takeoff capability with a compact design intended for everyday transportation. Unlike many air taxi concepts focused on commercial fleets, the H1-X is being built for private users seeking faster travel above crowded roads. The aircraft features a lightweight carbon fiber structure, a patented ducted fan propulsion system, and a modern 2-seat cabin designed for comfort and safety. Its enclosed fan design helps reduce noise while improving passenger protection during operation. Advanced technology such as AI-assisted flight controls, redundant propulsion systems, airbags, and a whole aircraft ballistic parachute further enhance safety. With ongoing development and testing, the Doroni H1-X Gen 2 represents an ambitious step toward making personal flight practical for ordinary transportation. COUPE is one of the most futuristic personal flying vehicles currently under development, combining the appearance of a luxury sports car with advanced electric flight technology. Developed by Leo Flight Corporation, the aircraft is designed for people who want the convenience of personal air travel without the bulky look of traditional aircraft. Its sleek body, panoramic windows, gull-wing doors, and transparent floor create a design that feels closer to a concept supercar than a flying machine. Instead of using large exposed propellers, the COUPE relies on multiple ducted electric jets that improve safety while also providing stability and redundancy during flight. The lightweight carbon fiber structure helps maximize efficiency and performance, with projected speeds reaching up to 250 miles per hour. Built with personal ownership in mind, the aircraft represents a bold vision of how future transportation could combine aviation, technology, and automotive-inspired design into one compact flying vehicle. ASKA A5 is one of the most ambitious flying car projects currently being developed, designed to function both as a road vehicle and an aircraft. Created by California-based ASKA, this futuristic hybrid electric vehicle aims to let people drive on highways, then transition directly into flight without changing transportation. Unlike most eVTOL concepts that operate only in the air, the A5 features foldable wings that allow it to fit into regular parking spaces and travel on public roads like a large SUV. The 4-seat aircraft uses 6 electric propellers, along with a range-extending engine to improve travel distance and efficiency. Advanced safety systems include redundant propulsion technology and a whole aircraft ballistic parachute for emergencies. The vehicle has already completed extensive road testing and received FAA approval for flight testing. With its practical design and real-world progress, the ASKA A5 offers a serious glimpse into future door-to-door air mobility. Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier is one of the boldest transportation concepts ever created, combining a futuristic electric vehicle with a detachable flying aircraft in one integrated system. Developed by Xpeng X2, the design features a 6-wheeled ground module that works like a high-tech mobile base, while carrying a compact foldable eVTOL aircraft inside its rear compartment. The vehicle can drive on roads like a large SUV, then automatically deploy the aircraft for short-range flights above traffic and crowded urban areas. The flying module uses multiple electric rotors, intelligent stabilization systems, and AI-assisted controls designed to simplify operation for everyday users. Xpeng also plans large-scale manufacturing, targeting thousands of units annually as the company pushes toward commercial production. Beyond its futuristic appearance, the land aircraft carrier represents a major step toward blending road and air transportation into one seamless mobility system that could completely reshape how people travel in the future. Alef Model A is one of the most talked about flying car projects today, bringing the idea of combining road driving and vertical flight closer to reality. Developed by Alef Aeronautics in California, this fully electric vehicle is designed to operate both as a regular road car and as a VTOL aircraft, allowing users to drive through cities and then lift off to bypass traffic. Its unique design integrates 8 electric rotors hidden within a lightweight carbon fiber body, giving it drone-like vertical takeoff capability while still maintaining a compact car shape. On the road, it functions as a low-speed electric vehicle, but in the air it can travel over obstacles and congested areas with ease. The Model A offers an estimated driving range of around 200 miles and a flight range of about 110 miles, with speeds reaching roughly 110 miles per hour in the air. It also includes autonomous assistance and advanced safety systems. ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite is an advanced flying vehicle concept that explores the future of high-speed personal air mobility. Developed by ACE VTOL, it is designed as a fully electric eVTOL platform focused on speed, agility, and next-generation autonomous flight systems. Unlike traditional aircraft that rely on large wings or exposed rotor blades, this concept uses a distributed propulsion system with multiple electric thrusters placed around the airframe to deliver lift, stability, and precise control during vertical takeoff and forward flight. Its lifting body design allows the structure itself to generate aerodynamic efficiency, making it more suitable for compact urban environments. The concept also includes AI-assisted navigation, real-time flight monitoring, and semi-autonomous control systems intended to reduce pilot workload and improve safety. While still in the conceptual stage without a fully tested prototype, the Slipstream Elite represents a bold vision of how future electric aviation and urban air mobility could evolve. Jetoptera J-2000 is one of the most unique flying car concepts being developed in modern aviation, introducing a completely different approach to vertical flight. Created by US-based Jetoptera, the aircraft replaces traditional exposed propellers with a fluidic propulsive system, where thrust is generated through high-speed airflow channels inside ducted structures. This bladeless design aims to improve safety while reducing noise and mechanical complexity, especially in dense urban environments. The J-2000 is designed as a 2-seat hybrid electric VTOL aircraft powered by a gas turbine that compresses air and channels it through engineered nozzles to produce controlled thrust. It features a box-wing aerodynamic layout that enhances lift efficiency and stability during both hovering and forward flight. Performance targets include speeds of around 200 miles per hour and a range of up to 400 miles, making it suitable for regional air travel. Though still in development, it represents a bold new direction in aircraft engineering. Leo Solo is a futuristic attempt to turn the idea of a flying motorcycle into real-world engineering. Developed by Leo Flight, this single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle is designed for short recreational flights at low altitude rather than long-distance travel. Instead of using exposed rotors like helicopters, it relies on a dense network of around 48 electric ducted microfans that generate lift through distributed propulsion. This setup improves stability and adds redundancy while keeping the vehicle compact and lightweight. The pilot sits in a protective frame supported by automated flight assistance systems that help maintain balance during hover and takeoff. Performance is intentionally limited, with speeds of around 60 miles per hour and flight times of about 10 to 15 minutes per charge. The Leo Solo is positioned as an entry-level personal air vehicle aimed at enthusiasts exploring controlled flight experiences in the emerging field of electric aviation. CruiseUp Flying car by Cyclotech introduces one of the most unconventional approaches to urban air mobility, focusing on precision control rather than traditional aircraft design. Instead of using exposed propellers, it is built around cyclorotor technology, where 6 enclosed rotating cylinders generate thrust in any direction. This allows the aircraft to move not only forward and upward, but also sideways, backward, and even perform sharp mid-air braking without tilting its body. This level of 360-degree thrust control gives CruiseUp exceptional maneuverability, making it highly suitable for tight urban environments. Safety is also a key priority, as the fully enclosed rotors reduce external risks, and the multi-rotor system adds redundancy in case of failure. Designed for 2 passengers, it is expected to reach speeds of around 150 km per h, with a range of nearly 100 km. CruiseUp represents a major shift toward compact, highly controllable flying vehicles for future city transportation. Urban Aeronautics CityHawk is a groundbreaking flying vehicle designed to solve one of the biggest challenges in urban air mobility: safety in crowded environments. Developed by Israeli company Urban Aeronautics, it uses a unique fancraft system that places all propulsion inside the aircraft body, removing the need for exposed rotors. This ducted fan design allows the CityHawk to take off and land vertically in extremely tight city spaces, while significantly improving safety for people on the ground. The aircraft is designed to carry 4 to 6 passengers, making it suitable for air taxi services as well as emergency missions. One of its most advanced features is its planned hydrogen fuel cell system, which aims to deliver clean zero-emission flight with improved range and efficiency. Expected speeds range from 150 to 240 km per hour, with a flight range of around 150 km. The CityHawk represents a practical vision of safe, compact, and sustainable urban air transportation. Ryse Recon takes a very different approach to flying vehicles by focusing on real-world utility instead of luxury or city transport. Developed by Ryse Aero Technologies, this ultralight electric eVTOL is designed for a single pilot and is aimed at practical users like farmers, ranchers, surveyors, and rescue teams operating in remote or difficult terrain. Its simple open-frame structure reflects its mission-driven design, prioritizing function over appearance. The aircraft uses 6 independent electric motors and 6 rotors powered by removable battery packs, allowing fast swapping in the field where charging stations may not be available. This makes it highly suitable for continuous outdoor operations. It can operate on land and even water surfaces, increasing its versatility. Performance is modest but efficient, with a top speed of around 63 miles per hour and a range of about 25 miles per charge. With ultralight classification and simplified controls, the Recon makes personal aviation more accessible for everyday work environments. Air One is a new step toward making personal flying vehicles practical for everyday users. Developed by AIR, a company focused on urban air mobility, this 2-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed for private ownership instead of commercial fleets. Its main idea is simple: allow people to fly above traffic in a compact vehicle that can also fit into a standard garage, making it feel closer to a sports car than a traditional aircraft. The Air One is powered by 8 independent electric motors that provide vertical lift without needing a runway. Once in forward flight, its wings take over most of the lifting work, improving efficiency and extending range. It can reach speeds of around 250 km per hour, with a flight range of roughly 170 to 177 km. The foldable wing design, digital cockpit, and automated flight systems make it more accessible for users without advanced piloting experience. The ACE VTOL Trinity is an advanced electric flying vehicle concept developed by ACE VTOL, designed to push the boundaries of regional air mobility and multi-purpose aviation. Built as a long-range electric VTOL platform, it focuses on combining passenger transport, cargo delivery, and emergency operations into a single modular aircraft system. The Trinity features a flexible cabin layout that can carry between 4 and 7 passengers, depending on configuration, with a spacious interior designed for comfort and easy boarding through a forward entry system. At its core, the aircraft uses advanced electric arc reaction engines, where multiple motors work together in each propulsion pod to generate efficient and redundant thrust. Some versions of the concept also explore hybrid electric and hydrogen fuel cell systems to extend range. Performance targets include cruising speeds of around 350 km per h and ranges up to 400 km, making it suitable for regional travel rather than short urban flights.